Okay. Let's watch one. Unusual memes. Version 137.
Play Fortnite VR.
No. A poor dog. Oh, poor thing. Dude, cats are smart.
It's gonna break.
Why would it break?
Hey, I'm telling you. A lot more pressure in it.
Dude, what is happening? Jesus.
Vinyl record. Here's how to even it out. A decent, yeah.
Is he stupid?
Spy Cub and the crew capture some of the most intimate moments of Arctic wolf life ever.
Normans?
And the crew capture some of the most intimate moments of Arctic wolf life.
What face?
ever filmed.
Normans. Oh.
Out on sticks.
Kill it.
Here she comes, sticks.
Aww.
My sister be high as hell. She got the motherfucking Cheeto bus in the motherfucking refrigerator.
Fuck. Dude, I can't even see what's going on. Dude, what is even happening? There's like...
Candice died, crying face.
No, my nuts cannot fit in your mouth. I'm sorry. Too huge.
Is this supposed to do that?
Oh my god, ruined.
Yo, Connor, you bring the print in here? I gotta print my assignment.
What is up with all these? Jesus, so dumb. I thought like those cars had detectors. This is fun. Oh my god, it's so fun. That's actually so fun, dude. I used to go here at a place that had this, and it's like it goes so fast, and then they completely remove the floor, so you're flying. But he's when it stops, it just fall down.
Hello, it is me again. I am finally taking revenge for you killing my Iron Golem brother a couple weeks ago.
Oh god.
Just don't be inside of your house in 30 minutes.
Are you upset about the snow? I know. It really stinks.
Your door? Fuck. No, my god, what is this? It's Whee!
Hey. Oh my goodness. It is time to wake up. It is the morning.
Jesus! Dude, why do people have those dogs? I don't understand. They're scary.
Oh, I think that's him.
Shit, but you ain't no fucking ranger.
Oh no. Okay, dude. And then this song after. Okay, dude.
You ever look at your person and think to yourself, wow.
I do.
All right, it's coming down. 3, 2, 1.
What? Wait, it looks so little. It looks like... That's way too dank. It looks like it's so far, not far down.
3, 2, 1.
It looks like it's like not far down at all, and then just goes further. What the hell? What?
Oh yeah, he hitting this hoe for sure. Hell yeah, come get you right. My boy Richie, I already know what the fuck.
Yoink. You can do that? That's smart.
Hey babe, can you turn off the light, please?
Dude, like... This makes me lose faith in humanity. Yeah.
Ryan, look.
Yeah, like, what are we doing? Yeah, what? This just...
You know, fuck up Pennywise. Yeah.
Don't bully Pennywise. Jesus. What? That's actually dangerous. So dumb, dude. What did you think would happen?
I'm sat here eating my smiley fries. Show. What the fuck are you doing?
Ugh.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, that's cute. Yeah, this just makes me this just makes me sad. Yeah, okay, well, cats are nice. Yeah, why? Dude.
So I made a fucking hot chocolate, yeah, and then the hole came through the bottom. Yeah.
Bye, Bar. Have fun studying. Okay, all this is just cats and people being stupid. And dogs. And some raccoons too. Oh. Hey. First day is one step. First day is one step. A lot of white people happy just for this moment.